Yes, we can install wheel spacers on the front wheels only. Wheel spacers create more space between the rings and the wheel hub assembly to accommodate more modification parts. Whether we are adding larger rims or wider tires, wheel spacers are useful to ensure proper fitment and instantly change the appearance. Getting the wheels first with the fenders is safe. If we add a wide-body kit in the front only, we can use the wheel spacers in the front only to achieve a perfect first stance. To ensure safe wheel rotation, we will need more inner wheel clearance for the brake calipers. Typically, larger aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more inner wheel clearance, wheel spacers effectively eliminate larger brake clearance issues. For those who prefer the front and rear track width to be symmetrical, adding wheel spacers on the front only is a common operation. Even if we don't change the stock configuration, these wheel spacers can make our vehicle perform better and look cooler. Forged wheel spacers are the pinnacle of aftermarket wheel spacers. BONOSS forged FT cooling spacers undergo continuous turns of pressure to form. This eliminates any porosity, shrinkage, and other microprocess present in raw material. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure. As a result, BONOSS forged wheel spacers can be much more durable with much less material. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are made of the highest decorative forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloy. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistant characteristics. That's why BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are far stronger, as well as lighter than those under-brand cast alternatives. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.